Namaste, everyone. I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Every business needs professional email addresses, like rajesh@youstable.com or info@yourdomain.com. But let's be honest, setting these up in Outlook or other email clients can be a bit complicated. And let's face it, we can't afford to miss a single business email, right? Well, here's the good news. You can access your cPanel-based webmail without setting up any client application at all. Just log in from Chrome or any browser. It's that simple. By the way, all YouStable shared hosting plans include free business email accounts if you haven't purchased them elsewhere. So, why wait? Get started with YouStable.com today. Webmail allows you to access your email account through an internet browser. In the address bar of your internet browser, type https://example.com/webmail. Here, example.com is the domain of the email address we want to access. Just replace example.com with the domain of the email address and hit Enter button. Now, enter the email address and password. Click the Login button. You can click to check this box so that you can directly open the inbox next time you log in. Now, click the Open button. Here you can compose and access mails, save contacts, etc. Thank you for watching.